Welsh Oak Frame was established in around 1998. My background is carpentry, and we were involved in several restoration jobs that had oak framing in it, and we had to think about how we manufactured that, and it basically started from there. Big part of our business is obviously getting the design right for the customers. A lot of people are attracted to Welsh Oak Frame because of what we do here, through the designs that they see on our portfolio. And that for me is a very important aspect, getting the design right, taking on board the customer's brief and understanding exactly what they're wanting to do.
Fundamentally, what we do is we offer a bespoke service tailored to your requirements, whether that's requirements of the client, but also requirements of the plot and requirements of the budget, and to a certain extent requirements of the planners, depending on what restrictions there are.
A lot of our customers pick up on the fact that it is handmade, and it gives the credit to the oak tree. Some of these components that go into our buildings take as long as 150 years to grow, so it's nice to give it a little bit of respect with the handmade touch and finishes.
And we tend to do the oak frame and the encapsulation system going around the outside. What makes us different to almost all of the other oak frame companies who do oak and encapsulation is that we offer a wide variety of encapsulation systems, or whether that's softwood timber frame in or within the oak frame or outside of the oak frame, or even sit panels. Or if you wanted straw bales, we don't do the straw bales, but we design the oak frame to work in whatever kind of capacity that you want us to do. If most clients who come to us, self-builders who come to us, but also developers, come to us because they want something different, something a bit unique, something with character. You can build a perfectly lovely self-built house out of brick and block or softwood timber frame only. At the end of the day, you'll get a plaster box and you'll end up spending a lot of money buying things to put in the house to give it character. Whereas an oak frame, you can have an oak frame sitting room with just a settee in it, and it will have lots of character and it will have warmth, and that's what people are looking for. On the developer side, it gives instant character without, you don't have to have too much oak. On the self-build route, where people are building for themselves, then you can mix and match. You can adjust that character, adjust that level of oak framing, not just across the whole property, but within individual rooms of the build. So you might go, I want a big wow factor when we enter into the entrance hall, and I want lots of, I want a different level of oak framing in the kitchen and the lounge. And actually, do you know what? The guest wings, I don't want any oak frame there at all. I'm happy to save the money and get it to work for within my budget.